Hello again. Here is another video to show you how to find Premier's Reading Challenge website. Google Premier's Reading Challenge and click on the New South Wales link. Once the page opens, on the right hand side up the top you'll see a search bar. If you've got a book at home that you think might be a Premier's Reading Challenge book, put it in the search bar, press search, and it will come up if it is. It tells you the PRC ID number and what part of Premier's Reading Challenge it belongs to. Otherwise you can go to the book list and you can choose by the book title, and over on the side is the alphabet. You just choose what letter the book starts with, or you can search by author and you just choose the letter that the author's surname starts with. Thank you for watching.